Okay, here's my unofficial test and review of the Woods collapsible pot. Pulled out the old Coleman stove, put a liter of water in the pot, and in just a hair over 5 minutes, it's ripping, boiling good. Only problem I see, it's only a liter of water, so if you're gonna do corn, you're only gonna get a couple cobs in there. But if you're doing other things, that's good. And the other pro to it is it collapses down to pretty tight for storage. So overall, it's not great for big jobs, but I think it was made for little jobs and it does it quite well. Thanks.